guys, look at that. Oh! I got it on film. It is freaking pouring.
Don't hurry because it's going in.
Oh! Oh! Before it was, look at the road. And let me zoom in for you guys. Look at the road. It's like, Daddy, I don't think you need to water the plants for a few days. Oh, I got that on film.
That's really close. That's close. That's close. Thunderstorm in the summertime, or I'm sorry, springtime in South Carolina.
I think they're gonna need that boat over there, Daddy.
Yeah, they might.
Our dog's like terrified. Oh! I was picking up pace. Oh! Oh! This is gnarly!
Golly!
Look at that tree!
God, look at this. Look.
My phone!
Look. Oh, my.
Oh, my phone!
Oh, Lord. Holy crap. Look.
I think we need to get inside.
Oh, my. Look at the water on the top of that roof, on the dude's house.
Oh, those spots.
Yeah, come on.
Yeah.
You gotta go.
Abort mission.